So what I'm looking at now is the top of this fuse block. It's supposed to be underneath here for us to remove this. And we'll take this out and we'll look to see if there's a reset switch. So this is what I'm looking at. Possible fuse. And 5. Purple plug unplugged. Nothing else that I can see there, so we'll see. Plug these back in, check the fuse. Alright guys, so went to the junkyard and got a new relay for the bad one that I'm hoping is keeping the starter from firing on the T2 Touareg. So you can even see that that piece is broken on the inside. So we're gonna unhook the battery and we're gonna switch this out, and then we're gonna see if it starts. All right, so old broken one taken out, new one installed and plugged in. So now the question is, we have dash lights with the battery plugged back in. So now the question is, will it start? Let's see what happens. I really want to put the seat back in until I get this all figured out. Alright, so let's see what happens. Alright, well it started. Oh well, it attempted to start. And the battery's dead, which I could have saw coming. So we have starter, we'll get it figured out.